Hi, this is Walker Kelly with Monday Scientific Instrument Service and Microscope Marketplace. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to install the GRYPHAX microscope camera software for the JENOPTIK microscope cameras. Now, when you receive your camera, you will most likely have a flash drive included in the box, and this will contain the software required as well as some documentation, installation instructions, as well as tutorials you will need. You can also download the software from their website, but it does require that you have your camera serial number to do so. So to start off with, I've plugged the flash drive in. It's a handy little one. It's got a USB-A and a USB-C port on it so that you can use it in modern computers as well as legacy devices. Here we see our installation folder, and that's where we're going to start off. We also have our tools folder and our video tutorials. Those are fairly self-explanatory. We'll go into installation real quick. You see you actually have a way to download the video tutorial application, but for using the camera, we're going to want to go all the way down here to the USB 3.0 camera 2.2.2.1234-Win64. Very handily named. Here we have the software, so we're going to go ahead and double click to launch. If you have a Mac or a Linux computer, you would select the software for your system. But we're going to go ahead and start off with Windows because that's what I use. Now you may not see it, but I just got a little pop-up saying it's going to want me to allow me to use the software, and we're going to click yes on that pop-up. And now you see we have our little window here of the software starting up. It's going to ask us to select our language, so I'm going to go with English, hit next. Quick software agreement, make sure you read all this in detail, and we're going to hit agree. It's going to ask for your installation location, everything like that. Usually default's fine. Now here it's got a few extra modules. I typically go with just the default settings because that tends to be the most useful and what most people are going to use, but should you need anything else, you can in fact select that and download it. So we'll hit next, and it's going to take a moment to download, not too long. We're going to hold on for a moment while that finishes up. Okay, and now it's going to ask if we want to install the video tutorials. If you're a new user or not familiar with the product, I would absolutely suggest you do this, but since I've had them before and I've seen them, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. And we're going to finish the installation. So now we have our GRYPHAX software package right here, and we're going to double click to launch to make sure all that works. It seems to be saying something for a printer connection. We're going to go ahead and cancel that. It's asking me if I want to allow stuff from this to access our network. I'm going to say yes. And here is our GRYPHAX software. Now, I don't have a camera hooked up at the moment. We're going to be doing a few more tutorials that go over how to use the software and what it looks like when you do hook up a camera. This is just a quick little video showing you how to do the installation. So we're going to go ahead and sign off here. So that was how to install the software for your JENOPTIK microscope camera. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave us a comment and we're happy to help. Thank you so much.